Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's Warehouse Stock ABC Analysis Report application. It helps you to identify your most and least valuable products in the Odoo. You can easily analyze product demand, cost, and risk to optimize the stock decisions and reordering. You can easily view the reports by category classification or date with Excel and graph export options available. For the first step here, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the inventory module. And under the reporting, you will find one option for the stock analysis ABC report. So here you can see one wizard is open and you have to select the start date and the end date for the same. After that, if you want to categorize by product and if you want to select the particular product, so you can also select here. I'm just selecting the company. And if you want to select the classification for class A, B, or C, so you can also select the same. First, I'm selecting the all, and here we have three options, one for the Excel format, another one is the data format, and the last one is one for the graph format. Here I'm selecting the data format. So here you can see all the data for class is fetched successfully. If I'm selecting here the classification, so you can see the data is classified in the A, B, and C classes according to our annual consumption. After that, I'm going to again do the stock analysis report and selecting the dates. And now I'm just selecting for the C class and going to print the Excel data. I'm going to select the. So here you can see the data is generated and printed in the Excel format. Now I'm selecting the graph format. So here you can see this is differentiate by the class A, B, and C. If you want to apply the filter, you can add the custom filter and you can select the A, B, and C class for the same. And you can also see in the line chart and pie chart if you want to classify. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Urdu related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.